Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to delete watch later videos on YouTube. Let's start with the video. First of all, open your Chrome browser and type YouTube. Press enter. Click on this website. Here you have to make sure that you are logged in. Now click on these three horizontal lines to open the YouTube menu. Here you will see the watch later option, so click on this option. Here you will see the list of videos in your watch later playlist. So these are the videos. So to delete the watch later video, first you need to look at the video which you want to delete. Just like I want to delete this video, so click on three dots at the right side of this video and then click on remove from watch later. So now you can see the video has removed from watch later. Similarly, you can remove other videos from watch later. So guys, in this video we saw how to delete watch later videos on YouTube. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.